Hello everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to the channel. Today's the 22nd of December and we are changing the flooring. Of course you do, that's the kind of thing you do when you're full time. So join us to see us how we're going with the flooring and where our next adventure is going to be. So you can see we've already ripped the carpet up. You've got the old lino down and the old lino down underneath it. Hello girl. Hello Bella. So yeah, the plan is today is to kind of get these ripped up now. We've got some wood that we're going to put down there. My son's coming round, he's a roofer and he's built man caves and everything like that, all really cool looking really ones. He's never done a motorhome, so he'll get that on his CV, hopefully. There we go.
Come on,
and that's what we're going to do. And then we're still at my mum and dad, looking after my mum because she had a hip operation. And then we're going to work out when we're going to go on the next adventure and where we're going to go, because we actually haven't still 100% decided just yet. So we'll show you the flooring and we'll show you where we're going to go. Hello girl. So you see we've got the old lino up and there's the floorboarding. Okay, so the problem we have is the boarding underneath just pushes down. There's a support underneath which probably needs improving, but basically we're going to put big boarding all the way across, so the join there goes across with the join underneath is where your main walking point is, so it's getting weak. There's nothing wrong with it as such, it's safe. Well, that's what we're going to do, put a wooden board all the way up there so that it's a thick one, there's no weak points then. So we'll see how this goes. And my son's here, so if anybody needs him in the Midlands area, that's his details. He's just gone out on his own doing his own business because he's just got so many requests for him to do it as opposed to the company he was with, and apparently he's very good. So if anybody needs him, just give him a shout. So here's my son, the bigger one. The little one is the grandson. They're all being cut up at the moment, parts of it in sections. That's what a professional does.
I'm not
perfect fit. So it's roofing, but it's all the same, it's just upside down. Yeah.
The trouble is roofing, you can already.
Okay, so we've got the wood. There was a join just there before where the bounce was and the spring, coming up to there now, all the way through down to there. And nice and firm. Okay, so other than that little bit there, which we're going to sort in a minute, the flooring is there all the way through. We've got to sort that bit there, which is where the diesel heater is. We're going to put that back together. So jobs are good then. So what we've got is an extra upper floor. So the subfloor's alright, everything's alright like that. It's just the upper floor which is being done, and we just got to get some the carpet tiles all put on there now. This is John anyway. This is my son. A bit older than Issa, bit of an age gap.
Just a bit.
Bit airier than Issa as well. Well, good morning everybody. You can see some of the carpet it's looking good, isn't it? Well, I think it is. Leslie's out doing a personal training session. She normally does them online, but easy. Yeah, we can see you. Issa's stolen the bed, having her breakfast in bed. Leslie's out doing a personal training session. She normally does them online, as I say, but we're near a village where she does the online session, so she's literally just gone to the person's house to do the session instead. We're at Mel's secret location. Can't give you that one, sorry. It's got water, it's got toilet drop, it's got electric on their yard. Dogs up. So today we've got to go B&Q, got to get 4 more tiles. You're up, yeah. We've got to go B&Q, get 4 more tiles. We still need to do Christmas shopping. I'm going to see my mum and dad and then plan for dog's health certificate if we need one, and see what we're up to. It's a secret. So we're on Oh, about the dogs, the secret, is it? Okay. So we'll see you about today. Well, it's been a long day shopping and different things, crazy days of shopping. But got the flooring done. I will show you, but it's probably a bit dark now. I'll try and show you now. But we'll definitely show you tomorrow. Tomorrow being Christmas Eve. Yeah, I think we're gonna kind of have a rest from it. There we go. All the way through. Dark, as I say now. Dog's bed in the corner is flooring underneath there as well. There's a table that will go there usually. And it goes all the way back into the back, under the bedding that's set up, so I'm not going to show you that. That's the diesel heater. It just needs to be fixed back on together. So, as I say, all done anyway. It's Christmas Eve now, so, no, it's not, it's the day before Christmas Eve now. Leslie's in the house with the kids and my mum and dad. So, happy Christmas, everybody. And you'll see us now, probably watching this on the 29th.
Well, good morning, everybody.
Morning. It's Dad's birthday today.
It's Dad's birthday today.
It is.
Christmas Eve.
For Christmas.
Cheers.
So, as is tradition in the Skellen household, whether that be a motorhome or a house, Craig's birthday, we have salmon bellinis. The only bit of luxury that we have. Where's the bottle? And we would normally have a bottle of something fizzy, but we're driving. So we can't. We've got to be responsible adults. Yeah, so we're going to have our salmon bellinis. And we're going to head off up to Craig's mum and dad's to go and pick James up.
Yeah.
And then we're going to Liverpool, aren't we, today?
We are indeed.
Ready to spend Christmas with my family. So, happy birthday, Craig.
Thank you. And the flooring's okay as well.
The flooring's nice. I've just spilled a cup of tea over it.
Mine.
Yeah.
A birthday.
So, I better make you another cup of tea. So, you're going to have a nice birthday, aren't we, today?
We are.
You are, anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we'll see you on the road to Liverpool, probably. Right, we're on our way to Liverpool. We've left Cliff and Di with strict instructions to eat food regularly.
Mom to slow down.
And Di to not leave the house unless absolutely necessary.
If you haven't seen the previous video, that's because she just had a hip hop.
Oh yeah, not because we're weirdos, just because she has a hip hop. Well, we are a bit weird, but she has just had a hip hop, so needs to recover. So yeah, we're heading up to Liverpool now to spend Christmas with my family, and then we'll be back down to Cliff and Di's on Boxing Day. Then we don't know what we're doing after that because our plans are about to change because of James's Navy application. He's got his interview on the 9th of January.
Fine, that's online, isn't it?
Which is fine,
Anyway.
that's online, but he's got to do a fitness test, and that could be anywhere up to a couple of weeks after he's done his interview if he passes that. And that's going to be at a naval base, so don't really want to be heading off to Europe and then have to turn around to come back. So we're just going to wait now and see what the situation there is.
Also, just saying, before I forget, those some of you kind of follow us on social media, on Facebook and Instagram. So thank you for the birthday wishes on Facebook and Instagram this morning, very much appreciated.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
So I know, rubbish isn't it, Christmas Eve, but never mind. It doesn't feel like Christmas Eve because it's actually quite warm and sunny, isn't it?
Yeah, Seoul's getting more sun than any other day. That's so fun, Christmas Eve.
Yeah. So yeah, probably say Merry Christmas tomorrow, but that'll probably be about it really, won't it, until Boxing Day. So, hope you have an amazing Christmas, everybody. And thanks for supporting us in every way that you do so far. It's been amazing.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you on the other side.
In about 30 seconds.
Yeah. 2 days later.
Morning. Hey, good morning everybody. Hope you all had a good Christmas. It is the 28th of December. It's just
I'm gonna get on.
yeah, a backpack and a few different things, didn't you? It's just me, Issa and James in the motorhome, and that's all that was sleeping in it last night too.
Yeah.
Leslie and the dog stayed at Mum and Dad's because Mum and Dad had a couple of bad nights, so
Yeah, and we're gonna see anything right now.
yeah, so she stayed there to look after her. And we're going to see Indy today, aren't we? And we're just waiting for Mommy to come as well. We're on Frankwell car park. Probably can't see it through the window so much there. But as ever on Frankwell car park, it was a good night's sleep. It's filling up now. There were 12 motorhomes there last night. Or here last night rather. So it was quite busy with motorhomes and camper vans. There were about 40 cars here left last night as well. So maybe people maybe people going out drinking on the weekend and just left their cars here. But we're off into town. We're going to meet Indy. Do a couple of things. We will show you the kind of finished floor properly. And we'll let you know if we know what we're doing.
Do you know the new floor?
Yeah, we'll show them the new floor properly in a minute. And the new rug, yeah? Ethan and Neve bought us, yeah. Okay then. So I hope you all had a good Christmas anyway. And we'll speak to you soon. Should also say as well.
This smells horrible.
Yeah, the inside smells horrible. That's not what I wanted to say. But last night is only the second time me and Leslie have spent apart in the last, well, definitely 6 years of marriage, and probably in the last 8 years. So it was a little bit strange last night. So we were looking forward to seeing Mommy, aren't we?
Yep.
Definitely. And Indy, of course.
Well,
all right.
I'm excited.
You're excited. Yeah. Okay. Then.
And Mouse, the dog.
And Mouse, the dog. Yeah. So we're gonna keep we're keeping a lookout for Mommy to see her soon.
And she has mummies. I mean, not mummies.
Babies.
Babies.
7
She's
babies.
gonna have babies.
Leslie's not. The dog. Definitely. Just clarify that bit. Now, good morning, everybody. We're up. It's 10 to 11. Issa only got up about 20 minutes ago, so we've been lying down waiting for her to wake up. Leslie's in the back. Issa's having some breakfast now.
The dog's only just got up as well.
Dog's only just got up as well.
Lazy little thing.
Well, we're going to have a day around Shrewsbury today, just chilling out, going to the parks and different things. Our plans have changed once again, but this is all good because our friends have got the jobs back on, so we've got some work up in Blackburn. It's over 4 days, but like bits here, bits there, so we're just going to go and stay up in Blackburn. That's the advantage you've got of being van life and full time. Just go and park up where the work is. So we're going to go and see them. Issa's going to see her little friend again, Indy, which is all good. We're going to spend New Year up in Blackburn. Maybe do some wild parking. Well, definitely do some wild parking, and maybe do a campsite at some point. Campsite or a kind of a certified, the CLs, wherever the CL stands for, on the little campsites. Certified locations, that's it. Which are the kind of smaller places which generally have up to 5. You find they're a lot cheaper than the campsites. A little bit more intimate.
Pushing it now for campsites in the museum.
No, it'll be fine. Yes, but well, if not, we'll just have to wild camp, won't we? So we'll get on to that anyway. Thanks for being with us. It's a very short video this time. We want to show you some of the highlights of what we've done throughout the year, and I'm going to try and put them together at the end of this. So you're either going to have to see some highlights of the things we've done for the year, or in about 3 seconds you'll see us saying Happy New Year and goodbye. Let's go for it. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed that anyway. Just a very little quick thing. We put that on social media the other day. Hold on, it's getting dark now, as you can tell. Leslie and James are in the front, and we're on the way to drop James off at Leslie's mum and dad's, or his nan and granddad's, because we're going to be for the next 4 or 5 days doing some work. One more sleep than Indy, her best friend. So we're going to be doing some work, ending the year on a high with some cash, and then and Happy New Year. That's it. So we just want to say thank you to everybody. All right, thank you to everybody for following us, liking us, commenting, you know, sending money, all that, well, coffees, all that kind of stuff. We really, really appreciate it. We hope you had a great Christmas. We hope you have a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. So this is the 29th of December. This video is going out in about an hour and a half time. So I've got my work cut out. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Bye.